Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Mercedes-Benz. This two-door convertible has a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz is a great value with less than 22,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.